In a small village called Surajpur in northern India, a 15-year-old boy named Arav lived with his parents. The village was surrounded by green fields, hills, and dense forests. The villagers lived simple lives, but Arav was different from the other children. While most kids spent their time playing games, Arav loved reading old books for hours. He was fascinated by mysteries, adventures, and stories about ancient civilizations. Arav's grandfather had once been a famous explorer. People in the village said he had traveled to many mysterious places around the world. But many years ago, he died suddenly. After his death, his old room remained locked forever. One rainy evening, strong winds were blowing outside while Arav was cleaning the house. Suddenly, his mother said, "Arav, please clean the upstairs room too." Arav immediately understood she meant his grandfather's room. He slowly climbed the stairs and opened the door. Dust filled the air as the room creaked open. Everything looked exactly the same as it had years ago. An old cupboard, a wooden table, a compass hanging on the wall, and a large chest lying in the corner. Arav's eyes sparkled with excitement. Wow, this looks like something from an adventure movie. He slowly opened the chest. Inside were several old books, some faded photographs, and at the very bottom, a leather diary. Written on the cover were the words, "Only the brave will reach the truth." Arav quickly opened the diary. Inside was an ancient map. The map showed a mysterious mountain marked with a red symbol. Below it was written, "Inside the mysterious mountain lies a treasure that can change the world." Arav's heartbeat grew faster. Could this treasure really exist? At that moment, lightning flashed outside, and the window slammed shut violently. But now Arav could think of only one thing: adventure. The next morning, Arav met his two best friends, Kabir and Sanya. Kabir was funny but brave, while Sanya was intelligent and sharp-minded. Arav showed them the entire map. Kabir's eyes widened. "You mean, a real treasure?" Sanya looked worried. "I don't think this is going to be easy." Arav smiled. "That's what makes it exciting." The three friends decided to leave for the mountain the next day. That night, Arav could not sleep. Thousands of questions filled his mind. What was the treasure? Had his grandfather been there? And if he had, why didn't he bring it back? Early the next morning, they packed their bags with water, torches, ropes, and food, and began their journey. As soon as they crossed the village, a dense forest began. The forest was strangely silent. Long branches swayed in the wind. Somewhere far away, the sound of a wild animal echoed. Kabir whispered nervously, "This place feels scary." Sanya replied, "We need to stay careful." But unlike them, Arav's face showed no fear, only excitement. After walking for nearly 2 hours, they suddenly heard loud noises in the bushes. All three stopped. A huge wild wolf jumped out. Its eyes glowed in the darkness. Kabir panicked. "Run!" They began running as fast as they could while the wolf chased them. After a long sprint, they reached an old wooden bridge. Below it was a deep valley. The bridge was half broken. Sanya shouted, "The bridge is going to collapse." Arav looked behind. The wolf was getting closer. "We have no other choice." Arav ran first. The bridge shook violently. Kabir trembled with fear but followed him. The moment all three reached the other side, the bridge broke apart and fell into the valley. The wolf remained trapped on the other side. They finally breathed in relief. But the real danger had only just begun.